Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a quick unboxing video. We're going to be unboxing the CAREMOO Weatherproof case or housing for these indoor WYZE cams. Now there's a lot of videos and posts showing you the actual housing, but no one actually unboxes it and shows it in detail. They don't show how they mount it onto the camera, so I'm gonna attempt to do that really quick here. So first things first, let's open this, and that's the barcode. This one was purchased off of Amazon, and I'd like to remind everyone that this video is not sponsored. Made in China, CAREMOO, of course. All right, so let's open this up with my little trusty screw. So out of the box, you actually get, oh, look at that, two small made in China Phillips screwdrivers. We get the screws. I'm guessing these are for the actual cases themselves. We got the stand. Now some people say that these stands are not sturdy. Inside the stands you have the anchors with the screws and the stand itself. So I'm putting force on these. Yeah, and it's they are kind of loose, but if you screw this bottom part here, you twist it, that gives it some firmness, as you can see. Okay, so there you go. And what else we have? We have three. We bought the 3-pack, and here is the case itself. Now these things are made of hard plastic, and you need the screwdriver and these tiny screws to put this together. This is where the mount goes, and this is where the cable kind of like loops back and exits through this hole right here. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unbox one of these cameras. Service card. See, it's CAREMOO. Dedicated support team is always here to help. I hear they have good customer service, so I mean, how simple can this be? I mean, how difficult can this be? Okay, so this is an actual unopened WYZE version 2 cam, WYZE V2. So I'm just gonna open it so we can let's see. There you go, WYZE cam V2. You can see that. Okay, and this is not an official WYZE unbox. There's plenty of them out there, but as you can see, the first thing out of the box, you have this little cube, which is the actual WYZE cam, and the power supply and the cable. So we want to take this out of here, and the purpose of me doing this is to show you how to mount this on this waterproof case. Now I'm going to set this one outside, and that's the reason why I got this product. So I'm guessing this goes in here. As you can see, this is the WYZE cam right here, and this is the actual case. It actually fits in there, has a little bit of play, as you can see, but I'm guessing that's because you need that. So when you put on the cover, which the cover would go on like this, and if you hold it on and you move it, there's a little bit of play, but this is going to be fixed. So, and this is what you get. This is what you got, the sensor here, and you got the lens coming out with the IR sensor there too. So notice that this is painted black. The reason why this is painted black is so the glare from the sun or from the light won't reflect here, causing a blurry or distorted picture. So one thing that I would say is they look pretty much waterproof. What I would do is, once you have the cam set up and paired to your Wi-Fi network, once you put the screws, I would probably put a dab of silicone here, or maybe a tape, covering the holes anywhere where you think water might get in. But the only other place that water might get in through is, it might be through the microphone or through the lens itself. But this is gonna be outside, and we'll see how it holds up. It's gonna be under an eave, so then assembly would be this. You would take 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. There should be 18, and these screws, you take 4 and you drop them in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you would take your little screwdriver and you would start, and they catch on pretty quick. As you can see, just to show you, you don't want to over tighten it, only enough until this play is gone. So you keep tightening it until it locks into place enough. So just to show you that it's on place, I'm going to take out the other 3 screws. 1, 2, 3, as you can see it there. See, so like I said, the camera has play. I didn't connect the USB cable yet because I just wanted to show you how to set this up and how does it look. There is kind of like a little gap here, and I left the plastic steel on this because I haven't configured it yet. I just want to make this video to show you guys how to set this up. Overall, this looks like a pretty good case. I'm going to take this screw again off. Here we go. And it does have like a lip right here. See this lip? Which goes right in here. Now, it would be a good idea to have a tiny silicone gasket that would go around here, go in here, and it would seal the cable. Now I'm going to take the cable out. Show you guys. Here's the cable. Micro USB. Cable goes in there. See, that's LED. Okay, nice and snug. So and then this is supposed to fold like this and come out through here like this. I think it just wants you to, if you look in there, they want you to set it up this way. Give it a little slack. Then you put it in place. And once you have it, this is how much of a gap is in there. So it would be nice to have some sort of silicone or rubber that would seal this from water, but when it rains, it usually rains on top. Sometimes the wind blows the water. I don't see water coming in through there. And then once this is set up, the rest is self-explanatory. You would mount this on the wall. Something like this. This is the wall. Or you could put it like this, and then you could twist it to an angle if you want. If that's what you prefer, you would loosen this up, and you could put it like this. So this would be like this. This screws onto here. So this would be something like this. If you have it on a wall, it would be something like this. If you don't want it to fall out, once you had it set, you could just put this notch facing forward. That way, there's no chance of it. Like some people claim that this will not hold, but this is pretty sturdy. I just tested it. And you would have something like this. This is just for demonstration purposes only, so there's no video out there this in depth, and that's why I'm making this. That's what my channel's about. Alright guys, so next thing is I'm gonna set this up. I'm gonna put this up on under the eaves, and then after it's set up, I will definitely follow up with a 6 to maybe 1 year review on how this is holding up. But since it's August and winter's right around the corner, we will have plenty of climate change to test how well this holds up, and if there's any humidity, how well the camera will hold up. There are some of the forums will say that these things have survived minus weathers, below freezing weather. Some people have claimed that their camera didn't survive, but that's the purpose of this video. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, I will leave the description for these items on the description below. Comment, like, and subscribe.